Maharashtra's Food and Drug Administration, FDA, continues its crackdown on food safety violations across the state. In the latest, the food license of the Malad West dark store of Blink Commerce Private Limited has been suspended. It is the entity operating quick commerce platform Blinkit. Well, the action was taken after an August 7th inspection that found heavy cockroach infestation, expired food stock, and multiple hygiene violations. The order bars the company from selling or distributing food or conducting any food business from the premises during the suspension period. The order, however, is limited to the inspected facility and does not amount to a suspension of Blinkit's overall food operations. Now, Maharashtra FDA Commissioner Tukaram Mundhe has said that the state administration has adopted a strict approach towards food safety and would not compromise on public health. Since Mundhe took charge on the 25th of May, the FDA has carried out over 1,000 inspections across Maharashtra, averaging more than 20 a day. It has seized food stock worth over 50 crore rupees and suspended the licenses of nearly 100 restaurants and food businesses in Mumbai and other regions over hygiene and food safety concerns. Born into a farming family in Maharashtra's Bid district, Mundhe cracked the UPSC Civil Services examination back in 2004 with an All India rank of 20. He joined the Indian Administrative Services in 2005. His career over the next 2 decades was marked by scores of transfers. The FDA is, by some accounts, his 25th transfer. Among the key positions he has held in the past 2 decades include that of Solapur collector. While in the role, Mundhe earned praise for his work in water conservation and governance reforms. He received the Maharashtra government's Best District Collector Award for 2015-2016 and became widely known as the Waterman of Maharashtra. The story has made headlines across India ever since the number of raids that have been carried out across Maharashtra. Those visuals of rotten vegetables have gone viral on social media, raising a great amount of concern regarding what locals are ingesting. With Blinkit coming into the fold, that definitely raises more eyebrows. The news travels far and wide as we now bring it to a global platform as well. Tukaram Mundhe is one name which is resonating everywhere, and knowing more about his past and the number of transfers, it tells about the actions that he has taken. For now, we know that in Maharashtra, in this region, rotten vegetables were also among several of the orders that were being sent out. And it's not just that, hygiene issues have also been highlighted time and again. And this is only another one of the concerns of the quality of food, raw materials, raw vegetables that have been sold in the name of vegetables that are required by people. The Maharashtra Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, it continues its crackdown on food safety violations. These are happening across the state of Maharashtra. In the latest, if you're just joining in, the food license of the Malad West dark store of Blink Commerce Private Limited has been suspended, and this is the entity operating quick commerce platform Blinkit, which several people use for quick deliveries of their everyday requirements. The action was taken after an August 7th inspection. The inspection happened earlier. Now the action has been taken, and it found heavy cockroach infestation, expired food stock, and multiple hygiene violations. The order bars the company from selling or distributing food or conducting any food business from this premises during the suspension period. The order, however, is limited to the inspected facility, and it's not a countrywide order for Blinkit. It's for this specific facility and does not amount to a suspension of Blinkit's overall food operations. All right, let me now cut across to my colleague. I'm now being joined live by WION's principal correspondent, Disha Yadav from Mumbai. Disha, this is news which is going to resonate in every household. Blinkit is something that everyone is using for their quick deliveries. Over to you. Give us more.
Well, absolutely, Shivin, and food safety crackdown is something which is becoming very serious here, not only in the city of Mumbai, but if you talk about across the state of Maharashtra. Before getting into more details, I would want to show you this one outlet, Rustamji and Company. If anybody has visited Mumbai, they will be quite familiar with this place. It's a very famous ice cream outlet. It's a 73-year-old establishment right on the Marine Drive. And for anybody who wants to go for a walk from here, or anybody who is going back home from the station, this was one stop where people used to come. They used to take the ice cream and then walk. And now on July, when the FDA had a surprise inspection, they found serious and grave violations. Rats were roaming inside their kitchens. The food were expired. They had no compliance as far as the storage is concerned when it comes to the FDA rules. And overnight, the 73-year-old establishment had to be shut down. The license is expired and suspended as well. So, and the entire place is shut. And like this, more than 56 restaurants in Mumbai alone have faced closures in the past 2 months because of serious safety food violation. Now what we understand, the FDA Commissioner Tukaram Munde, who has been transferred 25 times in the last 21 years of service, say that this is only the beginning and they will continue to inspect each and every food establishment, not only here in Mumbai, but across the state of Maharashtra, be it from small eatery joints to even larger 5-star hotels. They are not going to leave anybody. And recently we are also seeing that how the institutional canteens, the government-run canteens, are also being inspected in a wide manner. The quick commerce companies like Blinkit also faced, one outlet faced suspension in the license just yesterday in Mumbai. So all of this is going on as we speak. And as far as the inspection is concerned, more than 1100 inspections have taken place in the past 2 months alone across the state of Maharashtra.
Disha, thanks so much for getting us all those details. There is a lot in this story which is capturing and captivating audiences across India for sure. These are big concerns. We will be tracking these developments closely right here on WION. Disha Yadav joining us from Mumbai.